The Renogy 200-watt solar blanket stands out as a lightweight option, weighing just 8.82 pounds, making it significantly easier to handle compared to traditional solar panels. Its innovative 8-fold design allows it to be compactly packed to a size of 16.14 by 15.35 by 3.07 inches, which is perfect for saving space in tight camper areas. This solar panel blanket offers multiple installation methods, providing flexibility to use on various surfaces or hang vertically for optimal sunlight exposure. With an impressive efficiency rate of 25% due to advanced N-type cell technology, it ensures maximum power output even in challenging conditions. The Renogy Solar Blanket also includes versatile charging options with one USB-C and two USB-A ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously, making it ideal for off-grid adventures. Designed for durability, it is built to withstand extreme temperatures and conditions, and its IP65 rating ensures protection against dust and water.